Welcome to Tux Paint. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about Introduction to Tux Paint, Opening Tux Paint, Components of Tux Paint window, Tools in Tux Paint. Introduction to Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a simple and free drawing program like Paint. It is very easy to use. It has sound effects also. Tux, the penguin, help us draw and color many things. It also tells us what to do at every step. Let us learn how to use Tux Paint. Opening Tux Paint. To open the Tux Paint, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down and click on the Tux Paint folder. Step 3. Now click on the Tux Paint windowed. The opening screen of Tux Paint appears. After a few seconds, the main screen of Tux Paint opens. Components of Tux Paint window. Let us learn about different components of Tux Paint window. Selector. This shows different options for each tool selected from the toolbar. It has up and down arrow buttons which are used to scroll through all the options. Toolbar. It has all the tools needed for drawing. Color palette. Different colors to color the drawing are available here. Drawing canvas. This is the blank area where we can draw anything we want. Help area. Tux, the penguin, helps us regarding the selected tool while drawing and coloring. Tools in Tux Paint. Different tools are present on the toolbar of Tux Paint. Let us learn about some of these tools. New tool. The new tool is used to start a new drawing. The steps to use new tool are as follows. Step 1. Click on the new tool present on the toolbar. Step 2. Choose a background color or a picture for the drawing canvas and double-click on it. Paint tool. The paint tool is similar to a pencil that can be used for freehand drawing. The steps to use paint tool are as follows. Step 1. Click on the paint tool present on the toolbar. Step 2. Choose a brush from the selector. Step 3. Choose any color from the color palette. Step 4. On the drawing canvas, keep the left mouse button pressed and drag the mouse to draw. Step 5. Release the mouse button when the drawing is finished. Shapes tool. The Shapes tool lets us draw simple closed shapes like square, rectangle, circle, triangle, star, etc. The steps to use Shapes tool are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool present on the toolbar. Step 2. Select the color from the color palette and the shape from the selector. Step 3. Bring the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas. Click and drag the left mouse button to start drawing the shape. Step 4. Once the shape reaches the required size, release the mouse button and click once to display it. Eraser tool. The eraser tool helps us to erase any part of the drawing. The steps to use eraser tool are as follows. Step 1. Click on the eraser tool present on the toolbar. Step 2. Click to select a size for the eraser from the selector. Step 3. On the drawing canvas, keep the left mouse button pressed. Move the mouse pointer over the part of the drawing that has to be erased. Step 4. Release the mouse button when the part has been erased. Fill tool. The fill tool is used to fill colors in the drawing. The steps to use fill tool are as follows. Step 1. Click on the fill tool present on the toolbar. Step 2. Click on the color from the color palette. Step 3. Click inside the drawing to fill the color. Save tool. After completing the drawing, it is always good to save it. To save the drawing, click on the Save tool present in the toolbar. This will save the drawing in a click. Quit tool. After working in Tux Paint, it is time to exit it. To exit Tux Paint, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Quit tool present on the toolbar. Step 2. A dialog box will appear. On the dialog box, select Yes, I am done. This will close the Tux Paint. If you want to go back to the Tux screen, click on No, take me back.